Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Dear friends, today we will be doing one very interesting poem which is named Macavity the Mystery Cat, and it is written by T.S. Eliot. Now friends, this poem Macavity, it's very interesting poem that I hope you're gonna enjoy it. And let's talk about Macavity, what is the character is all about. It is a fictional character who is described in this poem as a master criminal. Who is a criminal? Somebody who does the crime and is responsible for a multitude of crimes. That means he is not even doing one crime, he is doing multiple crimes at a time. The poem accuses Macavity of misbehavior that would be within the capabilities of an ordinary cat, such as stealing milk, but also responsible for major crimes. So, in this poem, Macavity has a kind of misbehavior that every ordinary cat has, but he also does the major crimes. Okay, so let's talk about Macavity poem. So here it is. Macavity's a mystery cat. He's called the Hidden Paw, for he's the master criminal who can defy the law. He's the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying squad's despair. For when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. So, in the first line it says, Macavity is a mystery cat. He's called the hidden paw. Macavity एक mystery cat है. Mystery means जो चीज़ आपके समझ में नहीं आती. तो वो cat बहुत ही mysterious है. वो किसी के समझ में नहीं आती. He is called the hidden paw. और उसका एक और नाम है जिससे उसको बुलाया जाता है hidden paw. Hidden paw मतलब छुपा हुआ पंजा. That means he does the crime and he just vanishes from there. That's why he is also called hidden paw. For he is the master criminal who can defy the law. क्योंकि उसको हिडन पॉ क्यों बोलते हैं? क्योंकि वो एक मास्टर क्रिमिनल है जो हर लॉ को डिफाई कर सकता है, हर लॉ की उल्लंघना कर सकता है, उसको तोड़ सकता है. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying squad's despair. सो ही इज़ द कन्फ्यूजन फॉर स्कॉटलैंड यार्ड. स्कॉटलैंड यार्ड के लिए वो एक कन्फ्यूजन, एक मिस्ट्री बना हुआ है. द फ्लाइंग स्क्वाड्स डिस्पेयर. डिस्पेयर मीन्स सैडनेस, निराशा. और वो फ्लाइंग स्क्वाड के लिए एक डिस्पेयर है, एक सैडनेस है. क्यों? वॉट इज़ फ्लाइंग स्क्वाड्स? फ्लाइंग स्क्वाड इज़ अ ग्रुप ऑफ स्मॉल सोल्जर्स. ओके, वो सोल्जर्स जब भी क्राइम सीन पे पहुंचते हैं, मकैविटी वहाँ पे नहीं होता, वो वहाँ से वैनिश हो चुका होता है. बट दे ऑल नो दैट द क्राइम हैज़ बीन डन बाय मकैविटी. सो दैट्स वाई दे ऑल आर सैड बिकॉज दे कैन नॉट कैच हिम. फॉर व्हेन दे रीच द सीन ऑफ क्राइम, मकैविटी इज़ नॉट देयर. क्योंकि वो जब भी उस क्राइम सीन पे पहुंचते हैं, मकैविटी वहाँ से भाग चुका होता है और वो वहाँ पे उन्हें कभी नहीं मिलता. दैट्स वाई फ्लाइंग स्क्वाड इज़ सैड. Okay, let's jump on to the next para. Macavity, Macavity, there's no one like Macavity. He's broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. So, Macavity, Macavity, there's no one like Macavity. Macavity जैसा कोई भी नहीं है. He's broken every human law. उसने हर human law को तोड़ा हुआ है. He breaks the law of gravity. Even वो gravity के law को भी defy कर देता है. उस gravity के law को भी वो तोड़ देता है. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stare. उसकी जो powers हैं, कौन सी power? Levitation की. Levitations mean floating in the air. The power of floating in the air and be there. It would make a fakir stare. मतलब एक फ़कीर, एक संत, एक सेंट भी उसको देखकर चकरा जाए, उसकी ऐसी पावर्स हैं. And when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. And whenever you reach at the scene of crime, you know that it has been done by Macavity, but you will never find him or you will never catch him there. You may seek him in the basement, you may look up in the air, but I tell you once and once again, Macavity is not there. तुम चाहे उसे बेसमेंट में ढूंढो या तुम चाहे उसे एयर में ढूंढो, हवा में ढूंढो, बट एक चीज़ मैं तुम्हें बार बार कहना चाहूँगी या चाहूँगा कि मैकेविटी तुम्हें वहाँ पे कभी नहीं मिलेगा. नाउ इन द नेक्स्ट पैरा इट सेज, Macavity is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. Macavity एक जिंजर कैट है. ओके, कैसा है देखने में? ही इज़ वेरी टॉल एंड थिन. वो देखने में टॉल है, थिन है, और तुम उसे देखते ही पहचान जाओगे क्योंकि उसकी जो आइज़ है वो संकन इन है. मतलब उसकी आइज़ जो है वो हॉलो डीप है, वो थोड़ी अंदर धंसी हुई हैं. His brow is deeply lined with thought. His head is highly domed. Now, as you can see in the picture here also, उसकी जो brow है वो deeply lined with thought है. मतलब ऐसे लग रहा है उसको देख के उसकी brows ऐसे जुड़ी हैं जैसे वो कुछ सोच रहा है. And his head is highly domed. और उसका जो सिर है एकदम गुंबद की तरह गोल है, domed है. His coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. और उसका जो कोट है वो बहुत ही डस्टी है और गंदा सा कोट उसने पहन रखा है, जैसे कि उस पर कभी ध्यान नहीं दिया गया है. नेग्लेक्ट मीन्स किसी चीज़ पे जब ध्यान नहीं देते. सो उसका कोट डस्टी है, उस पर धूल जमा है. हिज विस्कर्स आर अनकोम्ड. उसकी विस्कर्स मतलब उसकी जो मूछें हैं नोज़ के पास वो अनकोम्ड है, मतलब वो भी ऐसे उलझी हुई सी हैं. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. और वो अपने सिर को एक स्नेक की तरह एक जगह से दूसरी जगह मूव कर रहा है जैसे कि एक स्नेक मूव करता है. So that means he's just thinking something, okay? And when you think he's half asleep, he's always wide awake. And whenever you will think कि वो थोड़ा सोया हुआ सा लग रहा है, no, that's not true. क्योंकि Macavity हमेशा जागा हुआ रहता है because he is a master criminal. In the next para it says, Macavity, Macavity, there is no one like Macavity, for he is a find in feline shape, a monster of depravity. So Macavity जैसा कोई भी नहीं है. For he is a find in feline shape. Find means evil. He is kind of एक शैतान है वो जो कि एक फिलाइन की शेप में है. फिलाइन होता है कैट की शेप में, वो एक कैट की शेप में एक शैतान है. A monster of depravity. Depravity means wickedness, means moral corruption. So Macavity को क्या बोला गया है? उसको बोला गया है एक शैतान, एक मॉन्स्टर जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा wicked है, बुरा है. You may meet him in a by street, you may see him in the square, but when a crime's discovered, then Macavity is not there. वो तुम्हें कभी स्ट्रीट पे मिल जाएगा या फिर तुम्हें कभी स्क्वायर बाय पे मिल जाएगा, पर जब भी कहीं पे क्राइम हुआ होगा तुम्हें Macavity वहाँ पे कभी नहीं मिलेगा. But you know the crime has been done by Macavity, but you cannot find him there. He is such a master criminal. He is outwardly respectable. They say he cheats at cards, and his footprints are not found in any file of Scotland Yards. So, he is outwardly respectable. Apparently, आप उसे देखोगे तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा respectable दिखता है. They say he cheats at cards. ऐसा कहा जाता है कि वो कार्ड्स में भी चीट करता है. एंड हिज फुटप्रिंट्स आर नॉट फाउंड इन एनी फाइल ऑफ स्कॉटलैंड यार्ड्स. दैट मीन्स वो इतने सारे मास्टर क्राइम करने के बाद भी उसे आज तक कोई पुलिस वाला नहीं पकड़ पाया है. उसकी कोई रिकॉर्ड आपको, कोई भी पुलिस रिकॉर्ड आपको स्कॉटलैंड यार्ड में नहीं मिलेगी. वो इतना ज़्यादा मास्टरमाइंड है क्राइम में. The next para says, and when the larders looted, or the jewel case is rifled, or when the milk is missing, or another peak's been stifled, or the greenhouse glass is broken, and the trellis past repair, aye, there's the wonder of the thing, Macavity is not there. So here it says, and when the larders looted or the jewel case is rifled, that means whenever the food is stolen, the cupboard is stolen, larders looted means the storeroom, the food that has been stolen, or any jewel case is searched quickly, rifled, or when the milk is missing or another peak's been stifled. Here peaks means a dog, stifle means suffocated, suppressed. When Macavity is doing all these crimes, or the greenhouse glass is broken, so who broke it? Macavity broke it. And the trellis past repair, that means the architecture that has been, he passed the repair or he breaks it. There's the wonder of the thing, Macavity is not there. That means he will do all these crimes and you cannot catch him at the place of crime scene. He will just vanish from there. All right. And when the Foreign Office finds a treaty's gone astray, or the Admiralty lose some plans and drawings by the way, there may be a scrap of paper in the hall or on the stair, but it's useless to investigate because Macavity is not there. And when the Foreign Office finds a treaty's gone astray, astray means off the right path. That means any kind of a plan that just slips from their hands, it just not go in the right path, or the Admiralty lose some plans and drawings by the way. And if something has been lost, the drawings, they all have been lost, there may be a scrap of paper in the hall or on the stair. You can find that scrap of paper, something related to it in the hall or on the stair, but it is useless to investigate all those stuff. Why? Investigate means when you try to get information. Okay, it is useless to investigate all these things. Why? Because Macavity is not there. He has done all these things, but you cannot find him. And when the loss has been disclosed, the Secret Service say it must have been Macavity, but he is a mile away. So, when the loss has been disclosed, when people tell that this thing has been done, it is revealed. The Secret Service say the Secret Services, they come there and they say that they know that everybody knows that this crime has been done by Macavity, but they cannot catch him because he is a mile away. क्योंकि वो अब एक माइल दूर है उस क्राइम सीन से, तो आप उसको कैच नहीं कर सकते. You'll be sure to find him resting or a licking of his thumbs or engaged in doing complicated long division sums. And when people will be finding out where Macavity is or he's not at the crime scene, so what he's doing at that point of time, you can find him just resting somewhere. वो कहीं पे आराम कर रहा है, और licking of his thumbs, वो अपने paws को lick कर रहा है, और engaged in doing complicated long division sums means वो कोई और ही काम complicated sums निकाल रहा है, कोई ऐसे काम कर रहा है which is not related to the crime scene. Okay. Next para says, Macavity, there's no one like Macavity. There never was a cat of such deceitfulness and suavity. So, Macavity जैसा कोई भी नहीं है. There never was a cat of such deceitfulness and suavity. और उस जैसा cat आज तक, उस जैसा dishonest, और जितना dishonest उतना ही elegant cat आज तक नहीं हुआ है कोई. He always has an alibi and one or two to spare. और उसके पास हमेशा हर क्राइम सीन के लिए कोई ना कोई एक्सक्यूज़ होता है. सिर्फ एक नहीं, एक से ज़्यादा एक्सक्यूज़ेस होते हैं. At whatever time that deed took place, Macavity wasn't there because जब भी वो क्राइम हुआ हो, Macavity कभी भी वहाँ पे नहीं होता. उसके पास हमेशा एक्सक्यूज़ होता है कि इस टाइम पे मैं कहीं और पे था. And they say that all the cats whose wicked deeds are widely known, I might mention Mangjori, I might mention Griddlebone, are nothing more than agents for the cat who all the time just controls their operations, the Napoleon of crime. So, and they say that all the cats whose wicked deeds are widely known, और जो भी बाकी cats हैं जो बहुत ही बुरे कामों के लिए जानी जाती हैं, विकेड मीन्स बुरे, बैड वर्क्स के लिए, ईविल वर्क के लिए जो बाकी कैट्स हैं जो बहुत मशहूर हैं, जो जानी मानी हैं, जिसमें कि हम मेंशन करते हैं मंगजोरी एक कैट है और एक ग्रिडलबोन कैट है जो कि इस चीज़ के लिए, क्राइम के लिए फेमस हैं, आर नथिंग मोर देन एजेंट्स फॉर द कैट हु ऑल द टाइम. ये इतनी फेमस कैट्स भी, दे आर नॉट लाइक anything in front of Macavity. They are just kind of an agent. And who is the mastermind behind all these stuffs? The mastermind is Macavity. ये सारे stuff plan कौन करता है? ये Macavity plan करता है. He just controls their operations, the Napoleon of crime. और ये सब control कौन करता है? Evilness को, इस सारे plan को ये मैकियावेली कंट्रोल करता है because he is the Napoleon of crime. So here Napoleon, we all know who was the Napoleon. He led the French army against the Britishers. Okay, so he is like a Napoleon of crime here. He is controlling all those operations. He has more evil cats under him who can do the evilness, who can spread the evilness or do the wickedness. So there is no one like Machiavelli. Okay, so guys, I hope that you understood this whole poem. It was very interesting and very enjoyable too, and it has been written by T.S. Eliot. Just for some knowledge, T.S. Eliot was awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1948 for his outstanding contribution to modern poetry. So he was a very very renowned, or he is a very very renowned poet. So this was our poem Machiavelli, the Mystery Cat. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it and you understood it well. And if you do, or if you did, please like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Okay? Don't forget, like and subscribe. Bye bye. I'll meet you in my next video now. Bye bye.